you all are very well. In this particular video, I am here to introduce you about the hiring criteria and the incentive amounts of the new hiring. So, in today's hiring, we have Greytip, which is hiring for the executive business development role. Let's move on to the very interesting part, the incentive part. So the hiring incentive here is 26,540 rupees for every hiring candidate, and the interview incentive is 500 rupees. The profile incentive is 100 rupees for every profile which matches the hiring criteria of this particular role. The number of positions here is 3, and you have the chance to earn 70,000 rupees in just single day, and if you're lucky enough you can get it very soon. Now, let's come up to the hiring criteria because it's very important to understand what the job role is about. So, the company name is Greytip, as I mentioned. The job role is Executive Business Development or Senior Executive Business Development. The number of position or vacancies here is 3, and the experience required here is more than 2 years. It can be 2 or more than 2 years. The experience type needed is B2B, business to business, and the fixed CTC is up to 8 lakh. Now, the office location is in Chennai and it is a very high priority job. So, if you get the profile as soon as you get the profile, just let us know. And the mode of work is hybrid, like it's an on office work from home. And the working days here is 5 days, you get 2 days of off. Industry preferred here is software sales or B2B sales, business to business sales. Now the age, talking about the age criteria here, the maximum age should be 35 and it should not go up to this particular age. Now the target companies here is Zoho HRM, Darwin Box, Replicon. The education requirement is graduation, but if the candidate has done MBA, then he will be preferred over other candidates. In the additional information, the experience, we can talk about the experience requirement. So the software sales, B2B sales, field sales, demo, and presentation, like good communication, these kinds of experience are preferable in the particular candidate. So if you have the profiles, please let us know. Thank you.